When painting raw concrete with Crystal Paints Paving Paint, pressure wash concrete to remove any loose dirt, dust or grime. Acid etch concrete with hydrochloric acid, found easily at any pool shop. 1 part water to 1 part acid and spread it out over the surface. Leave for 1 hour and then pressure wash concrete. Ensure concrete is dry before painting. For painting, use a 10 to 15 mm roller, or on more rough concrete, use a 20 mm roller. On previously painted surfaces, as long as the paint is in good condition, the paint can be rolled over. Recoat time 2 to 4 hours depending on weather conditions. Can be driven on after 24 hours. If you have any questions about this product or any of our other products, please contact the factory directly.